Good morning, students. We are going to start our week off with a fun sing-along and math activity. So we're going to be singing a song called Five Green Speckled Frogs, and we're going to learn how to act it out. Okay, so I'm going to play the song on my phone, and we'll sing along, and we will act it out. To act it out, what you're going to need to do is put one arm in front of you. That's going to be our log that the frogs sit on. Okay. And then put your other arm bent on top of it, and your fingers are going to be your frogs. So we are going to start off with 5 frogs. We need to see all 5 of your fingers. All right, I'm going to start the song and we'll sing and act it out together.
Five green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 4 green speckled frogs. 4 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 3 green speckled frogs. 3 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were 2 green speckled frogs. 2 green and speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there was 1 green speckled frog. 1 green and speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating some most delicious bugs. Yum, yum. He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Then there were no green speckled frogs.
All right, nice job. We are going to do a little math activity that has to do with that song. And we are going to be practicing subtraction, or when we take away from a group. Okay, so I have my board here with my 5 green frogs, my log, and the pool or puddle they jump into. So we're starting with 5 up here. Let's count to make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And when we sang the song, how many jumped into the pool at first? 1. Yep, 1 at a time jumped into the pool. So I'm going to start here. We're going to write an equation or a number sentence. And we're starting with 5 frogs, so I'm going to write the number 5. Okay. Now, I'm going to take 1 off because he's jumping into the pool. So I'm going to write the minus sign. That means take away. Okay, so 5, take away 1, the little guy that jumped in the pool. 5 minus 1 equals, now we have to figure out how many are left. Okay? 1 jumped into the pool. Let's count how many are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So that's our answer. 5 minus, or take away, 1 equals 4. I'm going to take him off. I'm going to erase our number sentence or equation. because we are going to make a new one. We just said there are 4 frogs left on the log. Let's check and make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. So 4 on the log minus, or take away, 1 more jumped into the pool. So 4 minus, or take away, 1 equals, how many are left? We're looking at how many are still on the log. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. So we had 4, we took away 1, and we have 3 left. So we know that 4 minus 1 equals 3. All right, I'm going to take this guy off. I'm going to erase our equation. And how many frogs are left on the log? 3. So that's the number I'm going to write down here. We're starting with 3. Remember, we are doing subtraction, so we're going to take away from that group of 3. I'm going to use the minus sign for that. 1 is jumping in the pool. We had 3. We took away 1. How many are left on the log? 1, 2. So 3 minus 1 equals 2. All right, I'm going to take this guy off. Erase our equation. How many are left? Right, 2. So I'm going to write 2 down here. We are taking away from this group, so I'm making the minus sign. And 1 more is going to jump in the pool. So we had 2, we took away 1 because he jumped in the pool. 2 minus 1. How many are left? That will tell us our answer. How many on the log? Just 1 left. So that tells us that 2 minus 1 equals 1. Take this guy off. Erase our equation. We don't have much on here. Who's left on the log? How many frogs? Just 1. So we're going to write 1 minus, we're taking away from the group. He's going to jump in the pool. So it's just 1 jumped in. We had 1. He jumped in. And now, how many are left on the log? None. There's no frogs left on the log. They all jumped in the pool. What is the number we can use to show none? To show that there's nothing left? What number would we use for that? The number is 0. Okay? So we would read 1 minus 1 equals 0. Okay? We have no frogs left on the log. They all jumped in the water. Great job practicing subtraction. I will send you this, or you can draw it yourself so that you can practice the frogs jumping into the pool at home. All right, thanks for joining today, guys. Have a great day.